Hello guys, so today I have this awesome project. I will go to a store, so I also have these wheels. These are the front wheels, and these are the rear wheels, and also it has a motors, and there are going to be two of them, so you can just snap on this axis and it should drive. And the front wheels are going to go on this axis, and I have this straw, so you just put it on, but I'll cut it and put it this juice straw, and it will go. Now we're going to measure this 11 centimeters and 24 and 8. So now we're going to draw the rectangle. And now we're ready to cut it out. So we cut it out with a piece of plastic. So we just put it here like this, and now we need to drill the wheels. And so let's go drill the wheels.